Alright, here you go. This is going to be the vending machine.
Behind you is the dollar.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do the vending. This is going to be a vending machine race at Walmart in Cocoa, Florida.
You going for that 7-Up one, right?
7-Up, Pepsi, and Coke.
Yeah, no, the Pepsi doesn't work. We tried that like 5,000 times.
I'll just try and do something.
Oh, you can try it today.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no. Oh no.
Put it upside down for one.
Well, Riley got his out.
That don't work. Here you go, Bree. You can get a 7-Up one.
Oh, what's that? What is that?
Let's try this. Let's see. Let's try this. Alright, I got it. Alright. I got it. I got mine, so we're going to try this one right here. Alright, so we're going to try this. We're going to try this machine here for a second. Because Riley wants to try this, so watch this. This is...
Well, you do, yeah. You asked about it. Oh, man. Here, you get another try.
Another try.
It says it's 50 cents a play, so...
Alright, so we're going to try this machine here.
Wish us luck.
Bye, that's
okay,
it.
No, you want, no, you know, no, you're like, no, I got it, no, I got it, no.
Alright, go hit the off button at the top of the camera. Just hit that button at the top.
Like once?
Yeah, just tap it. Alright, I'm ending my video.
It says 3, is that bad?
Alright, let's stop.
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And ring that bell. Bye.
Bye.